Hey, this is Stefan from WoodFenceExpert.com, and what do we have here? Another wood fence. An awesome wood fence. The stain is still wet. This is a very special job. About 350 feet long. Custom mahogany horizontal wood fence on specially arranged Postmaster galvanized steel channel posts, and it came out fantabulous. Let's take a peek here at one of the back sides. Well, what the hell about these posts is he talking about? Well, let's take a look. You can see that. They're all like that. We stained over them to mute the color. Cameraman's got the day off, so here we go. Came out excellent. By using the steel posts in this way, you get the advantages of a galvanized steel channel post being very strong and it's going to be there forever. And you also have the advantage of being able to build on a full 4x4. Okay, let's go take a look at the other side. So here's the inside. The lighting is a little bit off as far as the angle of the sun, but I'm doing my best. Let's walk up and take a look. That really came out nice. This was a special job. You know, we're from LA and we do most of our jobs in the Los Angeles area. This was a rather large, rather custom, rather fancy job. The stain is still wet, you can probably see that or not. And this job is in the San Francisco Bay Area. South City to be precise. And we just wrapped it up. Let's get over here in the shade and see if it's a little better. Yep, and it goes right down the side. Well, there you have it. Another excellent wood fence by WoodFenceExpert.com. Here's that last back corner. Came out excellent. Here's the back. Let's get over here and look at this. Hope you guys can see this. It turned out pretty good. The stain is still wet. Let's do a little shot here. This is an old school camera. I guess it's time to get a GoPro pretty soon. Came out really good. So if you're out of town, not too far away, it depends on the job, give me a call, email, text. This customer just started texting me out of the blue about 6 weeks ago. And then here we are finishing up the job 7 weeks ago. They've got a large lot, and their permit to build their new house on this lot was contingent upon getting these back lines all fenced in, and now they're fenced in a very excellent way. This fence is going to last forever. Alrighty, thank you very much.